GREWIN Industrial Group Company Limited was founded for many years, which is a research and development, manufacturing, sales, service as one of the automation intelligent high-tech enterprise. Our coil winding machines has obtained CE ISO 9001 certificate, including toroidal winding machine, different axis parallel winding machine, PLC servo winding machine, automatic common mode differential mode winding machine, transfer taping machine, as well as coil turn tester, EI stacking machine, and other transformer-related equipment, always aiming towards improving performance. To be a highly qualified research and design team, the advanced manufacturing winders guarantee a long life and dependability of all GREWIN products. We can provide customers with accurate machines, solutions, and customized solutions. Fully automatic slider-type PLC-controlled toroidal coil winding machine equipped with PLC control technology that ensures consistent and precise winding of wires. The machine is ideal for use in a wide range of industries, including automotive, electrical, and electronics industries. It can be used to wind a variety of copper wires with 0.05 to 0.2 millimeter wire diameter, and the core min ID 5 millimeters, max OD 0.35 millimeters. The machine is also built with high-quality components that ensure durability and stability during the winding process. With its automatic control system, the machine eliminates the need for manual intervention, which reduces the risk of errors and increases productivity.